I'm Rudy Shemitz, CEO, owner of the company. In July of 1991 is when I basically took a company from my dad and my uncle and made it my own. At the time, I bought all the assets, and the company name back then was S&S Woodworking, and I went to New Wave Woodworking because, I was a kid, and I wanted basically to say, look, get out of my way, let the new wave come through. And I do everything from 3D drawing to programming the 5-axis CNC machine.
My name is Jerry Vlasich. I am the COO, Chief Operations Officer for New Wave Woodworking. I am behind the scenes, basically. I do all the ordering. I get the guys set up throughout the day, troubleshoot questions, troubleshoot problems, and just keep the flow going here. The average piece will take about 8 to 10 hours here. And there's other pieces on a high-end armoires or credenza. They'll go 50, 60 hours.
My name is Mike Hopkins, and I'm what's known as a cutter. This is the coolest part. There's no one particular thing. I just enjoy what I do. I've been doing it for like 35, 40 years.
Assembling a seat, actually, so different boards get glued together and the seat gets all sculpted out of it. You'll see a lot of different things here. We're not the average shop.
The challenging part I love. I went to school for it. I went to BOCES for 2 years, and I just stayed with the field. I love woodworking, and creating stuff that is just very challenging is the most rewarding thing, and having the trade for yourself also for the future.